Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Restricted mode filters out potentially mature or sensitive content from search results, recommendations, and comments. By turning off restricted mode, users gain access to a wider range of content, including videos, channels, and comments that may be restricted under the default filtering settings. To get started, head over to youtube.com and click on your profile in the top right corner. A drop-down menu should appear. From the drop-down menu, you should see an option for restricted mode. Click on it. Now click on the Activate Restricted Mode slider to turn off restricted mode. Your YouTube account will now be able to play content that was previously restricted to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.